Hi, I'm Melanie from Hobby 101. Welcome to the 30-15-1 Zentangle Challenge. Every day, we take the same string, spend just 15 minutes tangling, and see how the mood shifts. Day 2, same string, totally different vibe. Let's tangle. Where's your mood today before we start? Just notice it and drop your comment in the chat. 15 minutes, no perfection needed. Template number 014 is linked below, or sketch your own string. Watch how a tiny change shifts everything. I'm using my micron pens, a pencil, and a blending stump. Let's start by outlining the string. The string is like a gentle guide, a frame to hold your art. See these shapes? I'm simply tracing along the path, almost like I'm giving it a soft outline. Here's a little trick. Don't lock your eyes on the pen. Instead, look ahead. Focus on where you're going. It's just like life. Keep your eyes on the goal, and the path in between takes care of itself. Mini golf, putting in golf, lining up in billiards or archery, you don't stare at the ball, you look at the target. So, as you trace, pick a point where you want to go and let your pen naturally flow there. No pressure, no stress, just focus, flow, and follow through. Notice how calm your line becomes when you trust the process. Pause and try this. Lift your eyes to the end point and watch how steady your pen feels. Think less about the pen, more about the direction, like lining up a shot. Notice how I'm curving the lines more at the edges. It instantly makes the shape feel rounder. And just wait until we add shading. This is really going to pop. Pause here and drop your mood in the comments, before and after. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the next day's bold pattern. If you watch the Part 1 neurographic tutorial, notice how the artworm winds through the last day's neurographic shapes. Your string feels alive now. Now, let's add a little shading. It's the magic step that brings everything to life. Watch how a soft shadow between the ovals makes the artworm look rounder and more dimensional. Don't overthink it, just a gentle touch of pencil or pen, then blend softly. It's not about perfection, it's about depth. See how it suddenly pops right off the tile? Look at the difference already. Just a little shading and the whole pattern feels alive. Stay with me because the deeper we go, the more the calm sets in. See how the shadows turn flat shapes into something dimensional? It's like the patterns suddenly breathe. Don't worry about making it perfect. Shading is all about softness. A gentle touch is all it takes to shift the mood. shading pulls your eye inward? That's the calm sneaking in through the details. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences, so more people can discover the calm of tangling. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll always catch the next adventure. Compare your mood now to before. Calmer, energized, or maybe surprised? 2 days, 2 completely different results. In the next video, we go even bolder. Bigger strokes, bigger energy. Set a reminder so you don't miss it.
Simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.